Good day everyone, I'm Malin Taekwondo. I'm here today to discuss needs and demands for action research. Who can be an action researcher? Any teacher intends to understand more about teaching and learning, develop teaching skills and knowledge, take action to improve student learning. They have type of constraints. First is time constraints. Is a term that defines various factors that limit in a term of time like deadlines, workload, management, and resource allocation. Second is lack of research competence. Can occur when someone does not have the skills to find, evaluate, and use information related to a topic. Third is lack of research interest. Because there are some reasons like lack of training, lack of exposure, time management, and lack of faculty attention. Fourth is lack of confidence. It can occur when a researcher no longer believes their research are true, and others are unable to replicate their works. Fifth is lack of statistical skill, can lead to inaccurate faculty research and unethical practice. Sixth is difficulty in identifying topic or problem because of choosing the wrong topic or too much data. Seventh is financial constraint. This is the limitation of economic course of action that can be caused by lack of resources. Eighth is lack of reading initiative. Because of some challenges like lack of reading materials or lack of reading guidance. Ninth is complexity in gathering data. Data collection can be complex for a number of reasons like identifying data resource, data quality, and data security. And the last is lack of administrative support. Can negatively impact teacher, student, and organization as a whole. So, we can move on to an action research processes and procedure. First is identifying the problem. To identify the problem, ask question, analyze data, and think critically. Second is define an intervention. Third is apply intervention and collect data. The fourth is analyze data and findings. Fifth is take action based on result. Sixth is share findings. Types on varieties of action research. I can discuss first the type of action research. Ferrans 2000. First is individual action research. This is done by one teacher researcher. So identify the problem, single classroom issue. The support system is supervisor, co-teacher, and parents. Expected effects, instructions, assessment, change. Second is collaborative action research. This is done by two or more teacher researchers. So the identified problem is the single issue or common problem. Support system is supervisor, community, parents, and organization. Expected effects, curriculum, instruction, assessment, and policy. Third is school-wide action research. Involves the whole school administration, faculty, and personnel. So to identify problem, school problem, or area of collective interest. Support system, school commitment, leadership, and parents. Expected effects, school restructuring, policies and change, and program evaluation. So the lastly of type of action research is district-wide action research. Involves the whole district administration, school heads, and personnel. So to identify problem, district issue or organizational structure concern. To support system, district commitment leaders and parents. Expected effects is allocation of resources, policies change, structure evaluation. Discuss the varieties of action research. First is diagnostic. Researchers step into an existing problem and diagnose the situation. Like for example, the quantitative diagnostic design and qualitative diagnostic design. Next is participatory. Data is used to make recommendation for the resolution of the problem. Example, you can use photo voice and participatory workshop. Third is empirical. Conclusions are exclusively derived from concrete variables evidence. Like for example, you can use survey, observation, analyzing data. Experimental, conduct with an scientific approach using two sets of variables and hypotheses. Like for example, we are randomly selecting participatory or participants. So this time, I can discuss about action research versus formal research. So the action research is needed to select of participants, research design, data collection, data analysis, and application of result. So in the formal research is need to the skills needed, goal, how the research problem is identified, and literature review.